What's going on, guys? Bryce94 here, bringing you another mini painting video. Now this time we are going to be painting the White Tiger of the West, I believe, by Epic Minatures. It is a 3D print that I did. So let me go ahead and get that on screen for you guys. So here it is here. Very cool. Little miniature. Let me get that to focus. There we are. Basically, it is a tiger with horns and wings, and super cool. You may notice Guildmaster's Guide to Ravenka in the background. And that is because the reason I got this mini and printed it and painted it, well, primed it, haven't painted it yet, going to paint it, is because in Guildmaster's Guide, there is a celestial creature known as a Felidar. Sorry, magic people, if I'm mispronouncing that. I believe it is a Felidar or Felidar. But anyway, it is a very cool lion with horns, and there is a winged version. And I was like, oh, that thing's really cool. I want to paint one. Can't find a mini, can't find a mini, can't find a mini. Found this guy. Now, the biggest difference between this guy and the one in here are the horns. But these horns resemble the actual Felidar from the Magic game. So that's a big reason I chose this, because this, I mean, yeah, it definitely looks like a Felidar straight out of the Magic the Gathering card series. So if you want to learn more about them, I would definitely recommend looking up the Magic version and then looking up this version, because I do find the Magic version a little cooler. But it's nice that there is a stat block in D&D. So yeah, before we get to the painting, let me talk about the color scheme, because I am basing it more off of the Guildmaster's Guide version, because I am a D&D player, not a Magic player. So for the fur, we're going to go with a Brain Matter Beige, which is just really weird, but it's the only beige paint I have, and it's a beige fur. So now in the Guildmaster's Guide, only the head is the beige color, and then the torso is a gray. But what I'm going to do is all the fur parts are going to be the beige, and then the wings are going to be the outer wings, feathers, not wings, the outer feathers on the wings are going to be the leash skin gray, and then the inner feathers are leech skin gray. The outer feathers are going to be orc skin. Wow, let's see how much more I can butcher. And then this part is also, because that is feathered as well, is going to be the leech skin, and the tail will also be the leech skin gray. Then we will move on to the little stone pillar it is on, and the base itself is going to be done in a nice castle gray color. I will be doing the horns in Duergar metal, because they're a nice bronzish color on the Felidar in Ravenka. So yeah, his horns are going to be that color. Glistening blood for the inners of the mouth, ghostly blue for the eyeballs, pixie dust pink for the nose, and then, you know, white and black for the claws on the feet, and white for the teeth. That's what they're called, teeth. So, before I butcher any more words, let's get to painting. you have it, folks. We have the White Tiger of the West, which is what it is labeled as on Epic Minatures site on my mini factory. I'm calling it the Winged Tiger or Felidar, whatever you want to, use it as. It is a Winged Tiger. But yeah, it is done. I will put the link to Epic Minatures, my mini factory page, down below. But let's go ahead and talk about this thing a little bit. So, obviously, the cat hair everywhere. The main base is done in black to give it that normal base color, I guess. Because I don't decorate my bases; they all have their fancy or non-fancy black base. This is one of my wooden bases, which I am starting to like. I've also been 3D printing some bases. Here they are. Those are super nice. Lord of the Print on my mini factory. But yeah, that's super nice. So, I did change, I think, only one thing from my original design, and that was the stone pillar. I made like more of a sandstone color, and then the brown wash over it. There you go. You check that out. I also almost did a dark wash throughout the actual beige skin of the tiger, but I feel like that would have taken away. So I took the brown wash and just kind of put some splotches like around here. I used a light color, so yeah, it gets real shiny. I don't know if there, that kind of helps. It makes it a little dark, but not bad. So yeah, you can see where I added the kind of like dirtier fur, I should say. I think it looked really good right there on the back of the front heels. The back of the back leg heels? I don't know what I'm trying to say here. I also did a little bit on the mane, just kind of gave it a little bit dirtier look. But it definitely added a different, I don't want to say, it wasn't really highlighting, but it did add just some more color diversity to a rather one color figure. The wings, I'm going to turn the light back on so we can see the wings better. I love how the wings turned out. I like them before the black wash, and then after the black wash, I just think, I mean, they look amazing in my opinion. They look like something. It's just the darkness of them with the body. So we got the feathers there and the feathers on the tail. The horns. I just like that color. It turned out really well. I think I did pretty well on the face. Let's go ahead and again turn the light off so we can see the face. He's got the white eyes, the little pink nose, the mouth, nice and bloody. Almost did black for the nose, but I was like, you know what? Nope, we're going pink. But yeah, I really enjoyed the White Tiger of the West. There are actually 4 different poses. This is the roaring pose. So you might see me do a couple of the other poses, maybe. Not sure. I do have them all. Oh, knocked over my stand. But for now, I'm happy with this one. So, next week is, well, I haven't actually picked out what we will be painting, so stay tuned for that. The one shot will be filming soon, so look forward to that coming up. And then we have the Icons of the Realms openings. Got a lot of stuff going on there. Yeah, that's all I got for you guys on this one. I will catch you on the next one. Peace.